Hi, this is Justice here with Lancaster Archery Supply, here to give you a product review on the LAS drawboard. The LAS drawboard is the piece of equipment that any archer needs or should be using in getting their bow set up exactly how they want it. A couple of things that you'll get with your drawboard are a few safety ropes that you'll see. I have one attached here and one that'll go with your X-Spot Pro scale. The X-Spot scale comes with the drawboard where you can measure draw weight and holding weight. You get your instructions on your X-Spot scale and you get your drawboard instructions on how to put it together and all. So I already assembled it. One thing that you won't get already installed is this handle. You'll have to take the bolt, which is right here, and you'll actually have to put that on, and it's very easy. All you need is a wrench for that. A few things to note: you'll get your winch, which actually has both cranking locks and loosening locks. So I'll show you here. You can hear it clicking. That's locking it in, so now that's not moving. And then loosening locks. So if you're only loosening a little bit, it's only going to come out a few clicks. You'll also get this little carabiner on the end that's used to put on your D-loop, and then also the safety rope that goes around the string. You'll see it has a nice scale to go along here. This is how you'll check your draw length. Just in, if you wanted to do a 1/4 inch, 26 1/4, there's 26 1/4, 30 inches. You can really get your bow set up exactly for you. Just to show you a few little things that you can do, I have a bow right here that we'll actually use. We're going to check timing and we'll check the draw length. So let's go ahead and what you're going to want to do is set it right in the top of the grip. So right in this area, right where the swell of your hand is, right in here, that part of the grip is going to go right on this little post. So it's going to sit in there just like that. You want to take your carabiner and put it around your D-loop. And then what I like to do is, since I have this loop, this extra safety rope connected to the carabiner, I'll come around and I'll just double check it and make sure, just in case the D-loop breaks or something like that happens, we're always going to be safe with it. So now it's nice and secured in there, and we're going to start cranking it in. Now, you're going to want to put the safety lock on just in case, if your hand slips or something, it's going to come up and it's not going to, shoot the bow forward and pretty much dry fire it. So we're going to start drawing it back. Now that we're getting close, we're just going to double check the timing here. So I can see that the bottom one's getting close, and so is the top one. All right, now both of those are dead on, so timing's good. Now if your bottom was out, obviously you would have to put it in a bow press and adjust your timing to whatever you needed to do. But we're going to check our draw length real quick. So as you can see, I have it nice and safe, and you're just going to look down, and we're going to do it from, you can do it from either the string, where the actual string is in the groove of the nock, or you can do it from the end of the D-loop, however you wanted to do it. But we're going to do it from right in the center of the string where your nock groove would be, and that's going to be about 27 3/4. Now you can do whatever you want to your bow, or you can change the modules however you want to get your bow set up exactly for your draw length. If it's feeling a little short, feeling a little long, this is one way to check it to be exactly precise. So we're going to go ahead and let it down. So we're going to crank it in a little bit, unlock that, and then just slowly come out. So once you get everything undone, you let your bow up, you can start taking everything off. Take your safety rope off, and then take your carabiner off your D-loop, and then remove your bow. Going back over everything that you can check with your LAS drawboard is you can check your draw length, your timing, cam lean, you can check holding weight, draw weight, peep rotation. You can adjust drop away rest cords to make sure that it's coming around and have the right timing. And you can also do measurements, peep to pin, peep to arrow, in case you're setting up sight tapes where some softwares actually require that. If you have any more questions about the LAS drawboard, you can visit us at lancasterarchery.com.